Bodega Boys.
Oh, what a beautiful day it is here in Staten Island. Oh, I can go and get some items for my beloved Michael Anthony. Such a good boy. He's been in the basement for so long. He wants me to get him some Robitussin and some amphetamines. I hope it helps him. He's always allergies, always has. Thank God Gristedes is open. Oh my God. Oh, man. Oh, are you an essential worker? Thank you for your service. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get a basket, please?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Are you aware of the pandemic that's happening right now in the United States of
Yes,
America?
I am. Oh my God. I read it. I saw it yesterday on QAnon. Yes, the pandemic. Oh, these liberal sheep are making people put stuff over their face, and they're restricting their constitutional rights that the Pope gave us. Oh my God, my son Michael Anthony is here, and I gotta get some items, so I need you to move.
No, actually, what's going on is your dumbass. They shut down fucking fucking Riviera, stupid. Now I gotta work over here in this motherfucking bum ass Gristedes, and I gotta wear this fucking mask on my day my fucking fudge all day, stupid. So if you wanna come in here, you gotta have a mask on your face because I don't wanna put myself at risk. Okay, because of you.
Okay, first of all, I would like you to know I am an ally, and I do feel very sadly that the fact that you no longer work at Riviera's, and these are my real tears, because my son Michael Anthony, he used to go to Riviera's with
Karen, pack it up, shut the fuck up, go in your car, take a little tissue, wipe your tears, and then put that shit in your nose, and then you can come in, stupid. But unless you do that, get the fuck out of here.
First of all, who the fuck
this
are
is
you
my
talking to?
Gristedes.
Who
This
the
is
fuck are you talking
Gristedes.
to? Let me
I'm
talk
the general
to you,
manager.
Giuseppe. I'm getting inside this.
Call the manager,
what?
stupid.
You know what?
Because I'm the manager, Karen.
Take that. Take that. Ow! Oh, stupid. How? How?
187. Fuck out of here. This is
I think she's the man. My eye.
You wild.
Michael Anthony, get her.
What's wrong with you?
Oh my God, I'm
what are
getting
you
beat up
doing?
like
Mom, don't touch your sister, bro. I love her. I love your sister. Don't touch her.
Oh my God,
you
Cardi
fucking
B
cunt.
hit
I
me.
love her.
Michael Anthony, Cardi hit me.
Yo, you better fucking tell your mother something, yo, for real.
Someone tell Quavo get his bitch.
I'm gonna pop the trunk.
Oh my God.
I'm packing the Mac in the back of the act. Let that bitch know. Stop playing with me.
She got blood on my MAGA hat. It's the same color.
That's good,
It's
stupid.
annoying.
Take your shit. Go make your fucking coagulation great again, stupid. I'm a phlebotomist. I know a lot about plasma and playlists and shit like that.
Oh, she has a mean punch, but she does know a lot about
Yeah,
the
that's
blood
right.
system.
So go apply some pressure to the wound and get the fuck out my face. Stupid.
You know what? Trump 2020, bitch. We'll see you again. Michael Anthony.
All right. Yo, Michael, guess what? You ain't getting your dick touched ever again. Thank your mother, all right? And I want to say just one last thing. This is episode 208 of the Bodega Boys podcast, the most dangerous podcast on the motherfucking planet. And if you try to come in Gristedes with a fucking funny-ass mask or like some Burger King napkin around your face, I'm going to slap the shit out of you, all right? Episode 208, do the fucking drop before I drop your dumb ass, stupid.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Stupid. Ooh, that Rona cough.
Damn.
Yo, episode 208. Wait, 208. Yeah, 208. Yeah, episode 208 of the world's most stir crazy podcast. Stir crazy is able to slur, but being locked in your house for 4 weeks and months.
Cabin fever?
Stuff.
Cabin
fever. Cabin fever is a slur against cabins. Okay.
Right.
Here at Bodega Boys, we'd like to make an apology for Mero's cabinist statements. We would like to again announce, listen, we're apology. We're learning, we're growing, we're reflecting. I just like to announce Victor has hired 5 cabinets to work with us in the future.
That's right.
For diversity. So, you know.
As a matter of fact, we cut this little small promo for you.
We did.
Please enjoy.
Just, cabinet lives matter.
I'm responsible.
Okay, that was the wrong. That was definitely the wrong button, yo. I don't know. Yo, what's up? Your boys is in the building. Episode 208, the most dangerous podcast in the world. We don't mean dangerous like dangerous to listen to, like dangerous like we will hurt you. You know what it is. Coming to you live from our respective locations.
Don't get it fucked up.
Don't get it.
You
fucked
will get
up.
hurt.
Don't get.
I hurt myself trying to hurt you.
Yeah, sadly that's true because we're at that age. We're at that age where the injuries they pop up and you don't know where they're from. And you're just like, why? Why is this still hurting 4 days later? I hit my hand accidentally against a wall, like opening a door. Fam, I might go to the emergency room. Like this right here, I would have just drank a Bex and kept it moving. I'm in pain.
Dog, I went to a podiatrist for my foot.
Nice.
For all of y'all that follow the #1 show in late night, this is the Mero on Showtime, 11 o'clock.
Oh, he got podiatrist money.
Now it's Sundays and Thursdays, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Mark your calendars, change your reminders in your iPhones.
Back on July 5th.
You know what I'm saying?
That's correct.
Yeah, I went to the podiatrist and she was just like, yo,
Did you actually
came?
Did you have actual glass still in your foot?
Nah, she was like, if you did have shards, I got them out, and they were very small. But you do have the beginnings of an infection, and I was just like,
ooh,
good looking, because I was like, the side of my foot was starting to look a little funky and tender,
a little funky,
and I was just like, yeah, nah, let me chill, because they're about to open the mani pedi shit, and I was just like, I'm gonna wait like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, see what happens, because we see what's happening all over the fucking country.
Yeah,
like motherfuckers just open shit up like, yo, like it's Great Adventure, like, yo, October Fright Fest, like we're gonna open this shit right now, let's go, and then like shit is spiking all wild. So I'm like, I'm just gonna fall back and see what happens to you after you go get your spot pedicure. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not even fucking with those shits. Because my man was like, yo, he was like, when you getting your haircut? I was like, nah, I think I've gotten my beard trimmed for the last time ever in my life. I think I am just, I'm on jail nigga shit now. Like, the beard is the beard. The beard is the other day I was playing video games, and I had to go get the bevel and shave like right above my lip.
Oh, because it doesn't curl over?
It was curling over into my mouth. Like, I've never had that before, dog. I had pubic hairs on my lips.
Yeah, these hairs allow me to do this with my, and when I'm eating, they literally go into my mouth. So I feel like I'm eating, there's hair in my food, and I'm like,
like, it's the worst feeling ever.
Ew.
But see, like, let's listen. Ladies and gentlemen and dems, you know, because, you know, we're allies, LGBTQ, you know, shout to y'all's pride.
Hey!
You know,
that's how you got to do an A in that thing.
Hey! Yes. You got to, but yeah, you know, we have to normalize quarantine beards. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Like, think about it. Like, all that stuff, you know, sorry, Candace. Like, it might be quiet for makeup. Like, think about it. What is the purpose of makeup? Like, basically, we're like, yo, you're ugly. You are ugly, and looking at you is going to hurt other people in public. Cover your fucking face, you mug. That's what makeup is. That's what makeup is. Because think about it. Like, they put us in makeup on TV. They're basically like, yo,
face.
They're like, you two are ugly, and America will not look at you. Cover your flaws.
Faces.
Like, what kind of shit is that?
Yeah, let's do a little. Mero, can we do a little contour on your nose?
Yeah.
It's a little wide.
They're like, I'm sorry, your forehead's greasy. It's like, because of my melanin, I can't control that. That's the real life, fam. Like, if that doesn't look good on the screen, that's just more about America than it is about us, right? And also, women, like, the idea that women have to, like, do makeup before a Zoom meeting, that shit is stupid. Man. So then ladies was like, fuck it, we're not doing that. But now if we go back to the office, is it going to be like, oh, excuse me, Karen, you might want to put a little eyeliner on.
Maybe a little foundation.
But I say that knowing that at certain points in every relationship I've been in, I've seen the person I'm dating without makeup, and I'm like, are you sick? So you know what? You know, it's not.
I had an
guys are terrible.
That was you know how like they say, like, you know, people your partner will clean up nice.
Uh-huh.
Like, I had a girlfriend that was like, you know, a strong 7, like out of bed, but cleaned up. She was like a 12. I was like, God damn, like motherfuckers used to see me on Fordham with her, and I'm like, I used to have to walk on the outside of the sidewalk, so motherfuckers wouldn't like honk the horn at her and shit like that. So, but bro, no makeup. She had the little like those weird like little stains on the corners of your mouth. And shit like that.
The Shih Tzu teardrops? Wow. Wow.
I'm like, yeah, do they make angel eyes for your mouth? Because I'm about to put that shit on there.
Like I said, angel eyes.
Yo. She had like she had like one missing tooth. Like, if she smiled like real big, like she just had the wild missing tooth right here. I was like, damn, dog. I feel like it was a car. Like, I was like, yo, if I put like 6 G's into you, we get you back on the road.
Look, invested in his boo. Like, it's always weird when you got that when like if your boo cleans up well, the first time you see it, you gotta contain yourself. It gotta be your first World Series. You know what I'm saying? You can't react too hard. You gotta be like, yo, We did this.
Oh wow!
You can't be like, God damn! Wow! Whoa! You were Hurts McGurts before this, but now, woo! I'll kiss you with the lights on.
Oh wow! The key to that, like as a married nigga, this is to compliment the one thing that they changed. So like if they did if they went to DR, then you're fucked. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, yo, your everything looks great. You know what I'm saying? But if Shorty just goes out and gets a little cut and color and shit, and then she comes back home and you're like, oh shit, your hair looks really nice. You know what I mean? Like that fake surprise, like, oh shit, wow. Like, great job. Who did your hair?
I've been watching, damn, is it called, wait, it used to be called Queer Eye for the Straight Guy? It used to be called Queer Eye for the Straight Guy. I think it's just Queer Eye now.
Queer Eye,
I don't know. But listen, that shit is like, they pick the most perfect people in the world who have the most downtrodden lives and who deserve good shit. And you're just sitting, they're like, this person, they, at night, they rub the bellies of like dogs that need to be adopted before they go to sleep. And you're like, Jesus Christ. And the person's like, yeah, I had a truck, but someone stole it. But they probably needed it more than me. Haha. And you're just like, wow. And then those are always touch it, but what's always messed up, they always have like a guy and the wife signed them up for it, and the guy's like, yeah, the Yankees won in 2009, so I wear this t-shirt every day to remind me of it. I wore it to my daughter's graduation. What's the problem? Yeah. And like the guy's never shaved. And like,
also, last time this broad was hot was 2009, so it's kind of like a double whammy.
What am I getting hot? We've been married 13 years. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I've been poking the same sack. What am I getting dolled up for? You're like, sir, and they're just, the guys are just, they're like, what do you wear? They're just like, whatever I can find at Sears, whatever's on sale, I wear a lot of athleisure.
It's like fucking homie from the fucking, from 90 Day Fiance that looks like, fucking one of the Mucinex commercial guys.
The little guy with no neck? Yeah. And he's just like, yo, he's asking if she's been with other people. It's like, yo,
I'm
fam,
like, yo, you're making a lot of demands for like a nigga that looks like Danny DeVito playing the Penguin in Batman Returns.
Looking like Ram Man from He-Man. Get out of here, no neck. All right?
It's a Ram Man.
Looking like Benzino's father. Come on, bro. You're doing
honestly,
a lot.
Is he sick? Because like when I saw it, like I'm not even trying to make a joke like that. Is that like on the range of normal?
You know what? As someone who's watched 90 Day Fiance a lot, I'll tell you, I don't know. Because the channel that 98 Day Fiance comes on, it's maybe I'm high. They show it constantly and it's not always in order. So like 1 minute they'll be like, yo, the guy will be like, yo, I met this girl in Costa Rica. We only text. We've never met. I hopefully sometime this season I'll meet her. And then the next episode they'll be like, can you believe this bitch? We had 6 kids and she cheated on me. I was like, whoa. Y'all didn't even meet. How y'all got 6 kids now?
How did this happen?
What happened? What's going on? And now they got 90 Day involved. Now they got 90 Day Fiance via Zoom, and I'm like, nah,
that's a dub.
Here's where I'm a hypocrite. I do not enjoy TV made via Zoom. Okay?
It's got to be really creative.
I only say that because you got it. Listen, certain people know how to finesse the Zoom. All right, me and Mero, you know what I'm saying? We be finger popping the Zoom.
Yeah, I mean, Hit niggas with the little Michael Jordan push off, you know what I'm saying? Sink that game winner.
We know all the Zoom's sweet spots. We know how to nuzzle behind Zoom's neck. You know what I'm saying? A couple of soft kisses behind the ear.
Zones.
Exactly, Some pink foam posits on Zoom's birthday. We know how to get the Zoom moist.
Yeah, I mean, just a little acupuncture on Zoom's lower back, you know what I mean? Get them open.
Oh, wow. Someone ordered you a season pass for Love and Hip Hop? Wow. That's wild.
They must really like you.
They must know you. Wow. Everyone's like, these are terrible jokes. These aren't jokes. These are realities from past
reality,
lives,
stupid.
Okay? It's reality. All right?
told y'all.
This podcast is scared straight.
I don't know what this shit circulates, bro, and old episodes pop up, and motherfuckers predicted this shit 3 years ago to the year.
To this day, we predicted mad shit. We predicted we were gonna have a male president. All that shit. We predicted
climate change.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. We predicted motherfucking NYPD wilding out, beating motherfuckers up and shit.
Mm-hmm.
We predicted that.
We predicted. Remember when we predicted the Popeye sandwich shortage?
Yup.
Yeah.
Facts.
I think.
No, we did. We did.
Did it?
We did. It might have not made the cut. It might have just been like the pre. Like, yeah.
This is how you know I'm plugging the streets. Guess what the new shortage is? All right, and I'm telling Bodega how so you can stock up, so you can stop buying sneakers. StockX, you're not gonna get the flip on StockX that you're gonna get with this hit I'm gonna give you right now. Oh shit. Plexiglass. There's a shortage on plexiglass because everyone is buying plexiglass for like little dividers and shit, and all this stuff. There's a plexiglass store over here. My man was like, "Yo, fam, he has to up the price for plexiglass because his distributors are cost because everyone all over the world wants plexiglass." Yo, so what I'm saying is, y'all niggas need to buy plexiglass in bulk and start selling it on the corner.
Yo,
I think
that fucking shit. They used to. I don't know if it's still there, but there was a shop on Canal Street right by Scrapyard. It was like a little graffiti store that was like a plastics store. And they sold like plexiglass and like big ass, that type of shit. I was like, they must be eating right now, boy.
Plexiglass, that's it. That's it right there. Got that 2 for $5. Got that 2 for $5.
We're gonna turn into like bubbles from the wire and she just went around the hood like picking up plexiglass.
We about to do Top Boy with plexiglass. You gonna see us on the corner with wild plexiglass in our shorts and shit.
Where's my glass,
Yo. Go stab him, Mero. Stab him in his fanny. Stab him in his bum, mate. The cop's gonna drive by like, hey, you got a windshield under your shirt? I'm like, Mero, run!
Niggas use this shit as wings, like hang glide out.
Get out of here!
Like, yo, peace, motherfucker. You tight?
I'm just gonna throw it in front. I'm gonna throw it in front of me and use it as a skateboard, like in Back to the Future and shit. Like, oh shit, you ain't gonna catch me. Not gonna catch me, glass holes. Yeah, bro. That's our new Disney movie.
Glass
Yo,
holes.
Mero, move! You sell plexiglass. You're not see-through. Coming to a theater near you. Budget $138 million. Why? Because we're gonna walk into a major movie distribution studio and they're gonna be like, "What's your movie?" And we're gonna be like, "No, we don't have a movie for you. We're black. You feel guilty. Give us money because of white guilt." And they're gonna be like, "You're right. You're right."
You go.
That's how all my black creatives, that's how right now you can get anything you want created, all right?
Facts.
You lean on them and you let them feel bad and point out other shit they made. Point out other shit they made that was wild expensive and flop. And you can use Blink even though it had Will Smith because the movie was so bad it cancels out his blackness. That's a hot take. I'm throwing it out there, okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Just go out there. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
I don't want to smoke with the Smith family. They clap back.
Niggas like Mero's looking at me like the next words out my mouth is like my homie Shane Dawson.
I was like, no. I'm like, yo, how is this cat a smooth, like, he got to be like 55 years old. Like, my man's like is like 50 years old. He still got the like emo scene haircut. Like 20 years later, I'm like, dog, stop. Like, yo, stop. That you had a video.
Really,
he really fucked the dog. Your man fucked the dog. It's documented.
Really fucked the dog?
There was a video of him fucking a dog.
I mean, I'm a Susio boy, but that's not the type of Susio I enjoy.
Nah.
I enjoy Susio made for Susio consumption, not Susio for clicks.
Like interspecies Susio, like
right?
You know what I'm saying? Like
keep Susio honest. All right.
Word. Like come on.
Yikes! Fucking
he
dogs.
said some shit about Willow. I don't even know what the fuck he said, but he said some fucked up shit about Willow.
He has a video where he's like jerking off to a poster of Willow where she was 11 years old when she had just dropped I Whip My Hair Back and Forth, which was a bop. At first, I was like, I'm not going to be in the club banging my head to a little girl. But then I was like, nah.
That shit slaps.
That shit slaps. I heard it the other day, and I was like, oh, we playing hip-hop?
Oh, shit.
Playing real hip-hop?
Oh, the classics, nigga. What?
The classics.
You know what I'm saying?
Classics. I mean, it's good. It's not as good as, as people pointed out in our last show, they were glad we have a profound respect for Doo-wop.
Yo, real Doo-wop, yo.
You know what I'm saying?
Boom.
Walk with my Glock, talk with my Glock. Your moms don't love it, she can't suck my cock. They're like, this is not. What do you think they were saying on Arthur Ave? That was a doo-wop back then.
We slept with our doors open and we sucked cocks.
With our doors open. It was a different kind of thing, The whites
time.
we made doo-wops. The blacks stole.
The mafia kept it safe.
Yeah,
I was like, word.
They forget, all the good doo-wop, like John Gotti all over my body.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, you guys don't like that because you know what? Your nana was stripping slowly in front of Whitestone Cinemas to that. Yeah.
Yo, Imagine, I want to give a big shout out. There's a lot of big Italian communities in the Bronx. Shout out to Mars Park, you know what I'm saying?
Mars Park with the shark.
Shout out to Trogznac, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to motherfucking Country Club. Your mom probably might have fucked, or your nana probably might have sucked Frank Sinatra's dick or some shit like that. Like, it's possible.
That's not possible. Like, if she did that, she would talk about it constantly. Like, anytime she put Italian bread on the face, she's like, "Oh, watch your hands, it's hot." I ever told you when I sucked off old Blue Eyes? You know? You're like, Nana, not right now, not right now. It's like, happy birthday. Oh, I remember when you were a little girl. Oh, you had such beautiful hair. Yeah. I remember you'd look up at me. And the way you looked up must have been the same way when Tony Sinatra, oh my God, one time the Rat Pack fucking blew my back out. Yo, Sammy Davis Jr. put his black cock on my head, and oh my God, let me tell you, I burned some sauce that day.
Oh my God, it was bigger than my forearm.
You're like, Nana, the kids in the neighborhood are like, yeah, his Nana fucked Frank Sinatra.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yo, she's fucking Ray Romano right now.
Wow. Wow. Let me ask you, did he do it his way? Wow. You got to transfer schools. Wow. You get a wild, hate-filled message from Rowan Farrell. Like, yeah. Knock it off, bro.
Yo, take it easy. Take it easy.
You know?
He says some big time talking to your group. Yo, take it easy. Eh? Message from Ronan. Come on, where is this shit? The best.
I was trying to find, because you said country club, and I'm trying to find it. There's this lady, and she's from first of all, she's a big time Trump supporter. She always has on a red bikini and a MAGA hat. And it's like, whatever. You know, she has like a weird accent. As soon as she opened her mouth, I was like, she's from the Bronx. And it's like a white lady. She's clearly from like country club or some shit that.
Yeah, for sure.
And she's always making these videos yelling, and she's like always working out and shit. I wanted to send you it, but I'm sure somebody will find this clip and link it to her, and she'll mention it and call us liberal pussies. But you know. And then people, like, it was weird because I'm watching it and people's like, you garbage, you stupid Trump supporter, go back to the piece of shit Bronx. And I was like, whoa.
Come on.
Whoa. Why am I catching a stray here? Why is my borough catching a stray?
No, don't do that to us.
Don't do that to us.
Nah, we don't deserve this.
As they said, do you remember there was
claim her.
There was a campaign from the Department of Sanitation in the 80s, and the motto was, Don't dump on the Bronx.
Yep.
All right, we need y'all to not dump on the Bronx, okay?
Please.
We're having.
I know you see us. We're having a renaissance right now. We're having a moment. Let us enjoy it.
Let us enjoy it. Okay. Also, shout out, our friend. She got her job, like re-signed her contract or something.
Oh yeah, AOC nigga, hoes man.
Y'all said, go. After the election, good luck bartending. You're not gonna get reelected.
Yeah, one term.
Y'all sick. Cause she's here. How long? That's right.
Tight.
Out here.
Stupid.
Out here.
Doing TikToks.
Fucking landslide.
Destroy.
The AOC voters came in and was
80%.
That's right.
Before they even counted the mail-in ballots.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? They were like, yo, just give me that.
All the Fox viewers were like, oh, like her neighborhood hates her. They're going to get out of here. And you know what?
It's a fraud.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all see us walking around the hood with her?
Okay.
People jumping out of moving cars to be like, yo, I love you. Yeah, the hood hates her.
None of that was set up. Like, they was like, people was pulling their car to the side of the road, crying, and meeting her. Like, people don't understand, don't get it.
So much.
And then people were like, she's not from the Bronx. It's like, you're not from the Bronx either. What the fuck are you talking about?
So what? Yeah, what are you
talking about? They're like, oh, she's from the rich area of Yonkers. I was like, oh. Okay.
I was like, sir, I would like to point you to a Smack DVD with certain Jadakiss. Yo, there's a scene in that shit where some random dude runs up to Jadakiss's car. He's in the back seat smoking a blunt. Runs up to the car. He's like, yo, Jay, yo, Kiss. Yo. And Jada's like, yo, you got that thing on you? He's like, yo, it's in the crib. I'm going to go get it. This dude goes inside his crib, comes out with the fucking first Joker gun from Batman. The shit was like 80 feet long. Lets off like 4 shots in the air. That shit sounded like a nuclear bomb. And then Jada's like, yo, that's how we give it up and why yo. I was like, yeah. So yeah, Yonkers is like, yeah, really super nice. Yeah, like super affluent.
Yeah, she lives behind the Red Lobster in Cross County. So, you know.
She lives in Stearns.
Yeah. Nigga said Stearns. Whoa. 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 My earpod dropped off on that one.
Yo,
This
we've been doing this.
Actually, she doesn't live in Stearns. She lives behind the TC BY.
TCBY?
Wow. Oh, throwbacks, real throwbacks. Oh, for all of y'all that live in Yonkers and are like, what does Mero and Desus talk about?
Yeah.
Ask your father.
Ask your parents.
And your father's gonna be like,
cousin.
your father's gonna be like, what? I definitely went to school with these two guys.
Yeah. They had a good time.
Because someone posted their father on Father's Day, and I was like, holy shit, Ralph? I was like, holy shit.
Yo,
That nigga had the mean stutter stepping gym.
Yo, my homegirl that I went to high school. I mean, it's the Bronx. You know, there's a lot of early pregnancies, teen pregnancies and shit like that. But freshman year of college, freshman year of high school, she was pregnant. But like, I was very like and we were cool because we had the last name, so like alphabetical order. You're in homeroom together, all that bullshit. So she used to be like, "Damn, I really want a donut," and I would run to Twin Donut and grab her a donut and be like, "Yo, you know what I'm saying? Because you Pregatone, hold you down, whatever." I'm like, "Yo, same shit. Like, yo, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day, this that." I'm like, "Yo, them kids is like 20 something." I was like, "Oh shit!" Like they grow, like they're adults, nigga. Like they're fucking other people. Like you know what I'm saying? Like they're walking in the house smelling like weed and shit.
Nah, shorty in my second grade, she's a great grandmother or some shit like that. Like, and I'm like, what the? But then I'm like, I do the math and I was like, oh wait, because listen, her mother used to come to school every day with her lunch. Okay, there's a difference between someone making you lunch and a difference between someone making you lunch and bringing it to school and staying there and eating it with you. Just her mother used to hover over her while OG the whole time in elementary school. So as soon as we got to junior high, shorty wilded out. But I always like, yo, that's wild corny because you was like the wild Herb. Yes, I said Herb. You was like the wild, like all of a sudden at junior high, she was like wild thugged out, mad hood. She a goon. She wearing bandanas and shit. She trying to fight people. And I was like, yo, what happened when your mother what happened when your mother bringing lunch and shit? So that, because all the kids, maybe that was bullying, maybe it wasn't, but she was bullying other people. And so she was wilding out. Bully? And I think she got pregnant wild early in school because she was on that, she was
like that.
But
I told kids that got pregnant.
She got mad kids now.
I didn't even think you could get pregnant at 13. I was like, God damn.
You know what it was? A lot of times, well, like, yes, there's kids that get abused and stuff, but sometimes, like, if you protect your kids too much, they wild out once they get that little bit of freedom. Yeah. And it's too much. They don't know. Because, like, if you've took the whole life, you've been like, yo, don't do this. And if you run in the streets, you're going to do this. And if you ever do drugs, you're going to die. And then they see people who casually doing drugs and having mad fun. They're going to be like, oh, fuck anything my parents said because these niggas are lying to me. So, fuck that. I'm going to do this.
I saw a movie where a dude did 2 lines of coke and had a great time. So I'm going to do that. Fuck that.
And those are the kids. They bang raw. They sharing needles. They just taking any old pills and shit. They doing shit because niggas in the party putting a wild peer pressure on them. You know what I'm saying? They sending nudes because people telling them to send nudes. I just added that to my repertoire because I'm trying to keep this podcast millennium friendly because we're old as shit. Like, our references, like, listen, fam, if like the demographics of this podcast are like easily 46 to 58 at this point. Like,
it's bizarre because it's like it's like 5 to 98.
No, you know what it is? I think they listen to it as like they're just like, oh, this reminds me of my pap. I'm like, no, it's not. This is our life. They're like, remember CBS FM? Yeah, this is what this is. And see that joke right there. That's the barometer for this podcast. If you got that joke, that means this podcast is old. All right?
If you got that joke and you immediately said CBS FM,
all right,
then you definitely washed.
Okay, join the wash gang, bro. It's important to be washed in the coronavirus. Let it wash over
you. You know what I'm saying?
Wash yourself. Wash your hands. Remember, people forget. Mr. Cool had that song. Wash yourself.
Yeah.
Break yourself. Wash your hands.
Yeah.
Like that. I don't know.
Rub your hands.
I was gonna say, Mr. Cool.
Some people should walk away.
Mr. Cool should do a PSA, but also Mr. Cool has a lot of rape charges and stuff, so he's just not gonna even like.
Yes.
He has multiple.
So,
that's what we like to call.
Let's Euro step that topic.
Yeah.
I'm like, how do you? I mean, listen, I don't. Mystical. It's mystical, man.
You know
I can't comment on anything else about him except his braids. I was like, how did you become so popular with the Roger from Tia and Tamara braids?
I mean, those were popular one time. I had them. I did not. I
was like, but the act, but
no, they were like people.
But it was like
they weren't
extensions.
that much popular. They were just like people had them and you're like, oh wow, you did that. Okay, all right. Remember that when people at school had that, you were like, oh wow, your mom's let you do that. Okay, I see you live in a broken home.
All right, fuck it.
See you.
And that was like the white kids had like the mushroom cut. That was like like the black version of the mushroom cut. I was just like, that shit don't look good. Like you put a bowl in your head.
But you have to remember. I mean, remember at some point in your life you had no control over your hair.
Oh,
like
nah.
your fam.
Bro, I had Pat Riley hair until 4th grade.
Bro, I remember
my shit was just straight slick back, taped like the wild square short sideburn and shit. Like,
I remember one time my mother was like, "Yo, his hair's out of control. Do something about it." And my father, who at the time was very begrudging, because we didn't really fuck with each other, because he was like, "Who was this baby?" And I was like, "I'm your child." Don't understand what the beef is. But he was like, "All right, I'm gonna give him a fade." And apparently, my father thought that if he took one of my mother's mixing bowls and put it on my head and slowly moved it up as he cut, he would give me a fade. So after that. So that afternoon was my first time in an actual barbershop, and I was like, wow, this is what a professional I was like, oh, because I sat in a chair, and the guy would put the cape over me, and I was like, oh, you don't want me to put a garbage bag over my head?
Oh.
Wow, this is already different. Wow.
Your pops would give you a fade, and nigga gave you a gradient.
My father gave me the haircut that Moesha's brother had, okay? The little brother, just bad, just sharp. All right, just no fade, just a stark. It was just like no hair.
Hair.
Like no. And I remember like my mother was like, "Here, put on this hat," and it was like it was a Kango, but it wasn't like Samuel L. Jackson Kango. It was like a leather. It was like a leather fitted Kango.
Ooh, the mellow fucking joint. Ooh.
And I was like, all right, this is cool. But it was like on a summer day. So now I'm wearing a leather fitted, like a picnic, and I got a bald head underneath. So I'm just like dripping sweat from 9 a.m. till 6. I was like, yo, fam. I am a raisin in the sun. I also know why the cage bird sings.
No. Oh my God.
It's life.
Oh shit, bro.
Okay, it's life.
Yo,
that's what y'all call life. Ow,
ow. Speaking of life,
what would you do?
This is not a segue at all. It's just a completely pivot to a different topic. The fucking guy that I had no fucking idea that the guy that did the voice for Cleveland was an old white dude.
Yeah, you know what? I thought it was Seth Meyers or some shit.
Oh, I thought he just did all the voices.
Not Seth Meyers. Wait, Seth Meyers is the talk show guy, right?
Yeah, Seth. I was gonna call him Todd McFarlane and fuck it up even more.
Seth MacFarlane.
Like, he did Spawn and Family Guy.
I was like, oh, what is also the thing is like people was like, yo, stop killing black people. Like Black Lives Matter. They was like, all right. No more black cartoons with white people's voices. My God. Release the pressure.
We read you loud and clear, guys.
All right? And I thank Mero for that segue, because we're taking this stand right now. The Bodega Boys, we demand Disney apologize for the white actor voicing the Gargoyles and Baloo.
Yep.
And now I go to my MacBook and I see who does the choice for Baloo, because I just pulled that out of my ass.
Yo, were the Gargoyles black?
They were to me.
Yeah.
Were they European?
Like Bronx and Brooklyn and shit, like, and they were out. They never wore shirts.
There's black people in Europe, Victor. Why are you being anti-black?
Back then in medieval times?
Yeah, they were.
There was one. It was Martin Lawrence, and it was when he went back in time as the Black Knight.
Black Knight reference.
Wow. Also, the guy that played Baloo, his name is Phil Harris, and he is white as shit, boy. I think he might have owned slaves. But back to you, Victor. I need you to go, after this podcast is done, you and Hasan need to sit down and erase that little portion, because me and Mero are going to force Netflix to make this terrible movie about gargoyles from the Bronx in Europe, I guess. Yo, I'm a gargoyle. Yo, you dead ass. We on top of this building, son. Yo,
mate, we just sit here all day, mate. We don't move.
All day. Forgot we got an accent. All day, mate. Hey, pass me some beans and the chopped cheese. You heard?
You have some spotted dick, mate.
Hey,
I'm like, what is spotted dick? I've seen that shit so much. I'm so out of touch with like the UK in general. That like the little tidbits that I see, I'm like, oh, this is like a major part of your culture. Like I talk about plátanos a lot, and like that's a major part of like Dominican cuisine or whatever. But like, is spotted dick really like, that a big?
It's like, not. It's not like how how Jamaican food is like cow cock soup. Cow cock soup. You're like, what is cow cock? They're like cow dick. And you're like, oh shit, wow. Spotted dick is not that. It's like pudding with fruit in it. Dried fruit, not American fruit, like dried fruit.
I thought it was like some kind of fish or some shit.
No, but it's like when I was in France, and then niggas was like, yo, do you want blood sausage? And I was like, you're 031, you know the fucking vibe.
Gang,
but no, they were like, no, that's not what blood sausage means. Like, because I was like, no, you know what? Actually, I'm on my left side, so I'll take some Crip sausage. But no, blood sausage is literally that. It's bloody. It's disgusting. But I was like, I was on an all-expense paid trip to Paris, so I was like, why would I not eat this shit?
I'm gonna eat this blood sausage.
I ate this shit. And then someone asked, I remember I got asked 2 questions in a row that blew my mind. 3 questions. One was because I was American. I was the first American like any of these people had ever met because they were like from Northern England or some shit like that. And someone asked me, have I ever owned a gun, have ever shot anyone, and was racism over because Obama was president? And I was like, wow. Y'all on some shit.
You're no, and no.
I was like, no. But the wild thing was we had a maitre d' or like a tour guide who was around us 24/7. Anytime you needed anything, he was there to translate from French to English. Anything you want went on the company's tab. So I would be like, yo, let me get a beer, and no matter where I asked, he would get me a beer. Like we'd be in the middle of the street, we'd be like at a theater or some shit, and he would just get a beer. It was, and I remember like when I was leaving, I was like, "Yo, if you ever come to New York, look me up. I got you, bro. I got you." He's like, "I've never come to New York," and I was like, "All right, that's fair." I was like, "That's fair. You're very honest. You know, more people need to be like you."
I said that to a dude at a resort, and like fucking 2 summers ago, we went to Turks and shit. And fucking the bartender that worked the beach was there at the same time every day that we were at the beach. So like we had like a little rapport or whatever. And I would tip dude heavy and he would like push it to the side or whatever. Because when you're in the sun and you get like a frozen drink, 10 seconds later this shit is like
melted.
Kool-Aid with alcohol in it. So I was just like, yo, can you hold these down and like whatever. So he accommodated motherfuckers and all that. And he's like, yeah, I rotate between here and we have another resort in the Philippines. He's like, it's really nice. You should come. And we're like, yeah, we're definitely gonna come. I'm like, motherfucker, you ain't gonna know fucking Philippines. Go over there, they find a weed crumb in your pocket. You get executed by a firing squad. Pew pew. They'll be like, his mother-in-law is gay. Burn him. I'm like, yo, whoa, what the fuck? That's what y'all doing over here? Duterte?
He's wilding. Don't do that. Shout out to all my Filipinos, all the nurses
Shout out to all my Pinoys. Gang.
All the Pinoys.
I'm saying?
Pinoys.
Yeah.
That's if you are we can't. That's cultural.
What's the most? Is there like a star like Filipino
Filipino? Oh, star Filipino Pino.
Star Filipino Pino.
Pablo Torre.
Pablo Torre. Nigga said Pablo Torre. You said Pablo Torre.
The GOAT. Give it up for my man Pablo. Or as they call him, Pablo
as well?
Yeah.
Who?
Network? I only know him by his Twitter handle.
Oh, Jason Concepcion.
Yeah, isn't he Filipino? Or am I bugging?
Yeah. If I feel like it's like
Mika Tan.
Mika
Tan. Listen.
Swish.
Give it up. Fucking up.
Legend.
Mika Tan, all right? Legend right there. Legend in the game. Mimi Miyagi. Lily Tai. Yeah. Lily Tai.
She was
we were talking about porno?
I thought she was Thai.
We were talking about Pino?
Listen, they got I'm sorry, this is a list of Hawaiian and Filipino. Sorry. Might be mixing people up, but this is
okay.
They're saying the number one. Let's wait for the number one. Kalani Lee, okay. Amber Snow.
Okay.
Charmaine Starr, remember her?
Oh,
Kira
shit.
Lane.
Wow.
Okay, you got Lana Violet. Oh shit, Annie Cruz. Okay,
What?
wow.
Okay.
Wow. Give it up for all the all stars out there. The Pino All Stars.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah,
What other podcast is giving you socio diversity?
You know what I'm saying?
What other podcast is giving socio goats their roses and not those type of roses? Okay?
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? We're giving them their flowers while they're here.
There you
You
go.
understand? These are legends.
All right.
You should respect them.
We're giving them their flowers. So they helped us make flowers in our living room and our
That's
bedrooms.
right.
You know what I'm
You
saying?
feel me?
Wet flowers, nasty flowers. You feel ashamed of that. You have to walk to the bathroom. Like I shouldn't be doing this, fam. Like
Yo, what the fuck? Damn, I gotta clean the floor. I forgot to get the sock.
they be all ashamed. The next day you open your MacBook and one part is a little sticky. You're like, oh god.
Yo.
I didn't know I was that viscous.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Another one.
Yeah. Oh, God. Yo, I was going to say, shout out to my guy, Bubba Sparks.
Yo, him and Timberland made joints.
Yo. But
No, every time-
Bubba Wallace.
Boy, every time I see, because you know how my brain works, every time I hear Bubble, every time it was like Bubble, I was telling someone a story and I was like, yo, you've been following the story about the noose and the NASCAR driver and shit. You know, my man Bubba Crosby's out here. He's trying to drive around and he's got the noose. Shit like, and it's like, Bubba Crosby's in the NASCAR now? I was like, yeah, he's black now. It's wild. Like, I don't know what's going on.
He's like Aaron Judge. I don't know. Like,
yeah,
he's
doing the Bo Jackson two sports at one time. I know he's a little older now, but how hard is it to drive?
Yeah.
Also, is NASCAR like a young person thing? Because you could be like 60 and be nice at NASCAR, right?
It'd be nasty.
It's just driving, right?
Yo, you're driving and like those cars are bugged out because it's like, yo, you're driving in like an egg carton.
Yeah,
like just totally self-contained. Like you're cool. Like you could crash and be alright. Like,
and if you knew your car was built to crash, like ideally you don't want to crash, but if you crash, you're gonna live 9 out of 10 times.
Fam,
you're
I'm
gonna drive
blowing it.
while more aggressive.
What?
While more aggressive.
That's what that. Yo, shout out to Tony Stewart, the quarter
You know
body
what?
on the track.
If Bubba
and I
Wallace
talk about a
gets,
verse.
if Bubba Wallace gets more white drivers to quit, we could replace them with regular Uber drivers. Just all the Uber drivers with bad ratings.
Fam.
Think about that.
Yo, did you ever
I have a hot
see-
take. I have a hot take.
Yeah.
In 5 years, NASCAR is gonna be full of Dominicans.
all the town car drivers.
All the
at
town car
work?
drivers.
Like,
'Cause
damn,
people
dog.
listen. Tell me a Dominican driver wouldn't be nasty in NASCAR. All right, I've been to Washington Heights. I know. They're gonna be driving in the white shirts. Like, yeah.
The pit crew's like, yo, you can't triple park in front of the pit. You gotta pull in. You gotta pull in.
They're trying to pull in and be like, honk, honk. Yo, move your car. I'm on lap 14. Let's go.
No, I get it lunch. I'm
Yo,
on my
move-
lunch break. I have
Yo,
my
move your
lunch break.
car.
No, papi, it's lap 250. I gotta eat something. Papi,
They can just pull the race car over and start eating some mangoo. I'm like, yo, there's 250 laps left. What are you doing?
Hey, he's dressed like a cab driver too, so nigga got the sweatpants on with the dress shirt and the tie.
They got the wild Bluetooth. I'm like, keep going around the track. Keep going around the track. They're like, the Bodega Boys car is pulling to the side. You,
Papi, there's too many circles.
they have. If you listen on the radio, the pit crew is asking for DK La more hookah. Yeah, it's gonna be the fastest hookah production ever. They're like,
Nigga puts the coal on top. Go.
they changed the mouthpiece with hydraulics. Like, sorry, what were you saying, Victor?
Nah, nothing. I was just gonna say, actually, NASCAR, super underrated. I actually think they have some of the best fights in sports because they gotta wait. Like, they have to fight after school. Like, you have to stay mad for a minute, and then you don't realize, like, most of us just see the driver, but all the crews end up fighting. So it ends up being like,
It's a brawl.
yeah, it ends up being a brawl, like in the middle of a parking lot, and that's always a good time. Sponsored by, like, DuPont.
Bro, motherfuckers sitting in the car doing 250 miles an hour and shit, mad hot and sweaty and shit. Some nigga bump your shit. You go from first to 58th. You're gonna be sick. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna see you in the fucking parking lot. You fucking herb.
Cash App, give us enough money we want a Bodega Boys car, NASCAR.
Yo, word.
We want Bodega Boys, and we're driving it. All three of us, Mero, me, and Victor, right there. Matter of fact, it's not even going to be a new car. Buy us a Honda CRX.
That's it.
We
drop
we
that
need
shit.
Drop that shit, some nitro, the fire extinguishers in the window. We good. Big ass boombox in the back. Matter of fact, Cash App, you don't even gotta spend. Cash App, just you send us $200. Me, Mero, and Victor will go to White Plains and get all the parts we need.
100%.
Okay, all right, we got this.
Yeah, I call my man Ramon right there at Hunts Point.
Exactly. We going to Marymount. All right. We're going to be on a high-speed chase on I-87, so we hit that nitro. We'll be like, they're going to be like, oh, my God, they're zooming past Bay Plaza. Like, we out.
Yo, that would be fucking lit. A racing game set in the Bronx? Like, where you got to get on, like, the Hutch and the Cross Bronx and, like, all that other shit.
You know what, people? You remember, here, another washed reference. Remember Rad Racer on NES?
Yeah.
Rad Racer 2, they had... Like me and my sister, when we were driving with my father, when we go on FDR, the FDR drive, because if you people listen, what I'm about to say is very problematic, and I have to say it, and everyone listening to it that has done it will agree, but won't say it out loud. Driving on the FDR drive when you are drunk is fucking incredible.
It's mad fun. It's like Ridge Racer. It's literally Ridge Racer, dog.
It's Ridge Racer.
I did this shit and I got tired.
Everyone has done that shit. Everyone in New York if you have access to a car, you've done that shit when you were wild young, because you've been on it, and you'll see a car go past you at 100 miles per hour and change 3 lanes, but in one direction, leave the FDR, get on the Cross Bronx Expressway, and then get on the Major Deegan in one movement. You're like, how? How did you possibly do that?
How did you do that?
But I digress, because I don't even drive anymore, so I can talk like this. I can talk like like people are like, I can't believe you're condoning drunk driving. I'm like, I don't drive.
We're not driving.
Actually,
we're condoning not driving.
The closest thing to drunk driving I could do right now is to take a beer from this room to my living room. Okay, I'm not leaving the house.
Dog,
but the reality is people do drive drunk. Like, let's not be Pollyanna. Let's not be over here shaming people. Like, I can't believe that. Like, people, some of your favorite people have driven drunk. Some of you people listening to this have driven drunk.
1,000,000%. You know a lot of you, I would venture to say, Bodega have 85% of y'all have driven drunk. 90%. Because
it's one of those things where, and then like people are just like, I've never driven drunk. I've driven when I'm like nice, or I'm driven when I'm tipsy.
But then they got those signs. You see the signs. Buzz driving is drunk driving. I told y'all.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But it's like, usually what happens is like people don't take drunk driving serious until 2 things happen. Either you get a serious DUI that affects your life, or someone you know dies in a car accident.
Oh yeah.
And it can't be something like a celebrity. It has to be like someone you know.
Like your mans,
your aunt, your mother, your cousin, your child. And then you go hard for this shit. Which is why I'm using this. You're like, why are you talking about drunk driving? Me and Mero are running for mayor of New York, and we're running on the platform that we are getting rid of the open container law.
That's right.
And I was Googling Mothers Against Drunk Driving. They don't care about the open container law. They said that shit has nothing to do with them. They're like, open container laws are about people on the street. Because open
that's
container,
broken windows policing, dog. It's
exactly.
like it's open containers, graffiti. That shit is all broken windows policing.
It's just giving the cops a reason to fuck with brown people. Yeah. Also, if you have an open container in a car, you're not getting an open container charge. You're getting a DUI.
A DUI.
Okay, it's a whole different court.
Like, fair.
But
like, I've gotten mad desk appearing tickets for just literally sitting in front of the crib drinking a beer.
And it's like why?
On the summer. Why?
It's like,
why can't I I can't have a beer right in front of my building? It's 98 degrees. You want me to go up there
about this week.
And struggle in the box fan?
I mean, whoa, my guy. You're gonna mention 98 degrees without referencing I do? Cherish?
Oh, come on. Yo, shout out to Nick Lachey.
Come on, bro. Bro. The hardest thing is because of you. Come on, bro.
Yo, there was one dude in that. You know how there's always like, them groups like NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, 98 Degrees. There's always like the lead singer dude that's like mad, like conventionally handsome or whatever. Then there's like the Chris Kirkpatrick of NSYNC, like the weirdo dude that's like, yo, why do you have a fucking extension ponytail?
They're like, we need one more person. You. Yeah.
You with the bantu knots. Come over here.
Like,
white guy with cornrows.
They're like, I work here, sir. Like, nah, come on.
Come on.
It looks better with 5 people.
You look like a roadie.
I'll say about 98 Degrees. Ray J dropped that hit at first, but Nick Lachey was actually in there before him. That was his rebound.
That's true. That's true.
But
that's true.
The point
not shaming, but
is that the homeboy. There's one dude in 98 Degrees. Like they all look like they're related. Like I know 2 of them are brothers. Like Nick and one of them are brothers. And then there's a third one that looks just like him. Could be the cousin. And then the 4th dude just looks like a manager from Best Buy. Like he's not even brolic. Like he's not like nothing. He's just has a blonde, fucking like creative player haircut. I'm like, who is this guy? Like, is this y'all accountant? Why is he in all the photos with y'all? Like,
you need to have you gotta have at least one dub in a boys group so you can give people the idea that even I could be that. Because if you were looking at NSYNC, you was like, no kid was like, I'm gonna be Justin Timberlake. Like, you know that. You got to temper your expectations.
They're like, I'm going to be Joey Fatone.
There you go. Hey, listen. Aim for the stars, baby, even if you miss. You know what I'm saying? You up in the heavens. You know what I'm saying? There you go. You know, you don't want one of your kids coming to you and be like, Daddy, I want to be Justin Timberlake. You don't want to have to be like, son, how do I explain this to you? You are ugly. You know what I'm saying? You can't dance. You wasn't on Mickey Mouse Club. You didn't grow up in a trailer park. Like
he was built for this, man. Like he got Jack Daniels running through his veins, man. He could go from country to hip hop.
So am I saying that he was an industry plant? I mean, you know,
I feel like every Disney person was at the industry plant. Like there was like a factory. You know how they talk about dogs, like getting a dog from a legit breeder versus like a puppy mill. I feel like Disney stars. That's like the puppy mill version of like entertainment.
Definitely.
It's just like pumping them out, like take.
Definitely. Except for Ariana Grande, because you know her talent.
Oh shit, that's right. She was on she was on Mickey Mouse Club or some shit.
Yeah, she was she had a show on a Nickelodeon or something like that, or she was on
Nickelodeon,
Disney Channel show. She was on a Disney. I think she was on a Disney Channel show. I don't know that much about her. Let me Google because you know it's not like I edit her Wikipedia page or I run a Yahoo group for her.
I think I got the Yahoo fan group.
It's only 100 people and everyone's over 80, but you know it's pretty good. You know, yeah, she was Cat Valentine and Stuff Cat Says. You know, not that I know anything about that, but if you guys want to find out more, please check out my Twitter account. I love Sam and Cat. We are at 5,800 followers, and you know, please stream Tings with 6ix9ine and Nicki. Thank you.
She's on that.
No, she's not.
I was about to say, God damn, I was like, please don't do that, Ariana.
There's a big crossover between Nicki's fan base and Ariana's fan base because like they fuck with each other. So you know, the thing about fan bases is
doing a song with Ariana Grande. Oh my god,
no, that would never happen. Oh
my god,
a lot of people don't want to work with because the thing that's egregious about 6ix9ine is just like he's like fuck y'all, I'm a rap, I'm gonna still do my thing, and I would if everything that was going on wasn't going on, his shit would be so entertaining right now. Him being like, yo, fuck you, I snitched, I'm still out here. But now it's just like, yo, people was out in the streets protesting for black people's rights. You a Mexican dude saying the N-word. You a pedophile. And then, like, your whole thing is like, I snitched. Like, the thing is, like, people died off of, like, the gang shit you did. And it's just, and it's kind of like you're just laughing at the whole movement, kind of. Yeah. And then people just, it's not, you know, like I'm not trying to get on the high horse and be like, don't listen to 6ix9ine. I'm like, if you enjoy 6ix9ine, you enjoy 6ix9ine. But at this point, it's just like, he's not even making music to make music. Like he's just making music. He's just trying to get on.
He's trolling over a beat.
Yeah.
I'm like, how you trolling over a beat? Like
he's just trying to get on like Shade Room and shit like that. Like, and then it's just like, and I'm trying to figure where in your life is that the music you listening to? Because you know, like at a certain age, when you're like a teenager in your early 20s, the music you listen to puts the battery in your back.
Oh yeah,
and turns you into who you are. So that's why like our generation, Shook Ones, Smith and Wesson, all that shit, Helter Skelter, like all that hardcore New York shit. You listen to that because them niggas was really doing that, or in them situations, or talking about real situations. He's in rooms with like models and mad rainbows and shit, licking ice cream and stuff, and then talking about, yo, I got the most streams in the world. And it's just like,
nah.
Okay.
Great. Cool.
Great.
Like people, I think it's just curiosity, you bozo. Like people aren't actually like, yo, I really fuck with this.
And then you kind of feel sad for like when you know like his fans because they go hard for him, and I'm just like, if you had put that energy into like another artist, that probably would have paid. Because you know some art like
literally anybody else,
any other artist, bro.
Like literally like anybody else. Like I don't even care. Like dog, Paris Hilton. I don't care.
Except for Doja Cat, because he's still in the racial chat.
Showing the feet. Why?
Okay.
Yo,
still showing the feet.
Yo, she's in the racial chat.
I don't want to be that guy. I heard she has a Logitech HD 1080 pointed right at her ankles. Okay?
Oh,
you watch out for her.
Yo.
She got a light right over it. Listen, her toes are on OBS. I seen them.
Yo,
she
tweeted
streaming
out some shit like, you know, never work hard for anything because people are gonna destroy it, and everybody's like, "Yo, boo!" Like throwing tomatoes at her and shit. Like, yo,
yeah. She did a thing today where she
like,
was
yo,
like,
shorty, that was like 3 weeks ago. Like that wasn't 10 years ago.
And then like Doja's like, "You're not gonna cancel me, whatever."
But she's still doing numbers, isn't her?
She got a new track with City Girls, and the shit slaps. So it's just like, and that's also the thing. Like people be problematic, you be like, "Yo, this shit slaps." So you know, that's for you kids. I'm an old man. I can't weigh in on pop culture. I just watch from the outside, like Mike Francesa. You guys do what you want to do, okay? I haven't bought the last album I bought was Blackalicious, okay? I don't buy any new hip hop, okay? It makes me feel that way.
The last album I actually purchased, like a physical copy of, was Cameron's Crime Pays.
Oh wow!
Literally, I don't. How old is it? What was that? 2011?
Yeah, that was some time ago.
God damn.
That was some time ago. You know what? Yesterday, oh shit! Shout out to MTV. Yesterday, MTV showed the 2000 VMAs, which was wild because that was back when VMAs. You know, as someone who hasn't attended a VMA, name drop. That was back when VMAs was popping.
Like a big deal.
Everyone was there. Beyonce, Aaliyah, Prince. Fucking Cisco was killing it with Thong Song. He won like every award for that. NSYNC was there. Backstreet Boys was there. Whitney Houston. People. Kid Rock. It was the VMAs where the guy from Rage Against the Machine ran up on the scaffolding and was rocking it. That shit was a VMA. Like, and then after that they followed it with the Nirvana Unplugged. Like, come on.
Well, homie threw the guitar in the air and smashed his wig. That was a moment.
And what?
The bass player from Nirvana, he like after the show, like when they were closing or whatever, and he just like, you know how a lot of dudes like smash their guitars or do like some other wild rock shit. He just threw the shit mad high in the air, and like didn't catch it. Like the shit just can't. And it's a bass guitar. Them shits are heavy as fuck. Motherfucker threw the shit mad high in the air, and then looked up and the shit hit him dead in the face, and he was just like, and your man just like crumpled down on the stage. I was like, yo.
Damn.
You got to be on some hard body shit to like eat that and get up and keep it moving.
Yo, MTV, I appreciate you bringing back the classics. Can we please get the Jay-Z Unplugged? We need that. Also, can you make the Fetty Wap Unplugged that me and Mero tried to get you guys to make when you guys had us signed to a contract and you guys were like, and you guys were just like, you guys don't know how to make TV and well.
Yeah, well, I mean,
you know, Desus Mero coming back on Showtime July 5th. You know the fucking vibe. On Sunday, you know what it is? Sunday. The night for big dogs, like 60 minutes. Woof, 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 woof.
Yeah.
We out here, all right?
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Who's Scrappy Underdogs?
Scrappy Underdogs, that's right. We're coming. The goal is for our show, because the ratings are so good, eventually Showtime is going to say fuck it and put us up right against football.
Yep.
I'm calling it right now.
Monday Night Football. Like, yo, fuck you.
Nah, Sunday football. That noon shit on the East Coast. Fuck that. Get them out of it. No, the America's game. The Sunday night shit. Get that shit out of here.
Are you ready for some Desus and Mero?
Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. People are going to start taking a knee before watching our show. We're going to be like, that doesn't even make sense. What are you protesting? We're friends with Colin Kaepernick.
What's going on here?
I'll call Nessa right now. Like, you cut this shit
Keep
off,
playing.
right?
Keep fucking around.
So shout out to the NBA. The NBA thinks they're restarting their season. Nope, not happening.
You thought?
They said something like 19 people already tested positive on one team. Yep. So no, 16. But still,
and then
what's the difference between 16 and 19? Honestly, that's if I'm an NBA player, I'm like that's I want to say 15 too many. Like
that's that's one too many. Like
even if I was the worst NBA player in the NBA right now, I wouldn't risk it. Even if I was Ron Baker back when he played on the Knicks and they was like go to Orlando to play during coronavirus, I would say no. I'm concerned about my future as a basketball player.
Yo,
Okay,
facts.
irregardless of the fact I'm only playing for one season, I
what
need
I'm
to
saying?
protect these lungs.
Fuck
You
that.
know what I'm saying?
Because I could fuck around and go to Latvia, nigga. I could go to China and be the man.
Exactly. Look at
You know what I'm
Stephon
saying?
Marbury. Also, it's weird. All these fans are like, "Yeah, basketball's back. Yeah, can't wait. I needed this. The fans needed this." I was like, "You really want to see your favorite players get sick and die?" Like this is like the idea that the NBA has perfected the idea of playing basketball to a fact where no one is going to get infected. There's no risk of exposure. No one else has pulled this off. Like whole countries haven't exactly pulled this off. Even New Zealand is starting to have a couple of new cases, which they're handling. But I mean, if a country can't shut the shit down, and you're just like, "Hey, we're gonna make this happen in Disney World."
Come on,
Disney
man.
World, my nigga. Disney World, where when they have family, what is it? They have teen youth night. And that night, a lot of like church groups come from like the Midwest and they come down to Florida. And what happens? All those kids have sex at night in Disney World in the family bathrooms.
100%.
Okay?
I
That's the
changed
kind of
the
shit that
diaper in the
happens.
Disney bathroom, and they're
Okay.
not. You know how
Disney
airports
World-
got like yo, how do you feel about this bathroom? And it's like angry to like very satisfied.
Yeah.
Like if Disney can't even put those in there, they can't even do that because everybody just come out and slap the red button. Like, nah, bro. I think I just saw like a pig fetus in the toilet. I was like, nah, this ain't it. Shit is not popping.
Yeah, and it's just like, also, why are you trying to have the NBA without the Knicks? Like, let's discuss that.
Well,
Let's
fuck
discuss
that, bro.
that. Let's discuss
Why?
that.
Listen, the NBA is not a fucking federal organization. It's a privately owned organization. You know, if the Knicks are good, you're gonna make more money. Why don't you just David Stern blocked Chris Paul going to the Lakers because he don't want the Lakers to be too good. Why can't you just do the same thing and be like, yo, you know what? Kawhi Leonard, LeBron James, and you. We're going to pay you $1 zillion, and you're going to go play for the Knicks, and you're going to win 6 championships in a row and make the NBA 10 times more profitable than it is now.
I think the reason they don't have the Knicks during this coronavirus thing is because the Knicks would definitely spread coronavirus during the NBA Orlando thing. We know it. You know it. Everyone knows it. David Stern's ghost knows it. Everybody knows it. I don't know how it wouldn't even be like a current Knick. It would be like Amari Stoudemire is coming to give a talk to one of the other players to uplift them, sees a fire extinguisher, has a flashback, punches it, gets corona off of it, and then spreads it to LeBron.
To Israel.
Okay? To Israel, yes. And then someone in the IDF spreads it to LeBron. Like,
Oh, God.
no, like every outbreak scenario involves the Knicks. But it's not the Knicks doing normal stuff. It's like, it would be some weird, like the way the Knicks would spread it, it would be something like, let me see, what's the most ridiculous way the Knicks could spread coronavirus?
The James Dolan kazoos. They're like, you're all going to wait. Well, the shipment of kazoos is late. We all have to share one kazoo.
Let me see. Let me see what. Oh, okay. Like something. It
would have to.
One of the Knicks gets super drunk, gets into a fight with one of the robot bears at the country bear jamboree, and he actually gets beat up by the bear. He gets knocked out by the bear, and it's on TMZ. It's super embarrassing. But then when he hits the floor, like I guess the bear spits on him, and that's how he gets coronavirus. Don't ask me where the bear got spit from, but And then the worst part is we watched the video, and the Knicks player was 1,000% in the doing just 1,000%. Had no business getting on the stage.
And the wild shit about the Knicks too is just like they're always like doing like these weird, unnecessary press releases. Like, fam, you should have just shut just don't say anything. Cause then like when the memo leaked about Black Lives Matter and he was like, yo, we don't want to talk about it and this at the third. Then they try to double down and be like, well, I don't know if it was Isaiah that said it or somebody, and they were just like, tell me if you buy this. They were like, well, Dolan's hiring record shows that he's, racially sensitive. Or I don't know what the fucking phrase they use.
That's what people are saying.
Like,
people were just saying, like, look how Dolan, the diversity and stuff. And I was like, that's cool. That is true. But you know what some of the most diverse places on Earth at one time were? Plantations, nigga. You understand what I'm saying? Like, let's do the math. Just because you hire a lot of black people doesn't mean you care about black people. Like let's like come on, my guy. Like W.E. Du Bois once said, okay? I need you. Just calm it down. Just calm it down, my Knicks.
Take it down.
Also, they're trying to bring back baseball. I'm just like, fam, we really gonna be watching baseball in empty stadiums and like, and people are just like, yeah, if there's a World Series and whatever team wins, they get an asterisk. And I was like, whoa. I don't know as a Yankee fan if I'm gonna respect an asterisk for this year because we are winning this year. You know that.
Yeah, we got this.
We're gonna win this.
I'm as a savage asshole, I'm looking forward to motherfuckers throwing at the Astros, like trying to bean somebody in the Astros.
It's a little different though. Throwing at somebody when you're in a stadium full of people is one thing. If you throw at me in an empty stadium, I'm fighting you, nigga. Like that's different. That's not. Oh, the Astros threw at the Yankees threw at the Astros. That's like, oh shit, Mike threw at Jeff. Yo, are you serious? That is not baseball beef. It's like, yo, two niggas at my job were fighting in the parking lot. That's what it becomes. You're like, yo,
two motherfuckers in towels fighting in the locker room.
Like,
yo, shit,
like
my
at
dick
that,
came out.
they're gonna have to go to MLB HR and shit. Like that's not. It doesn't. It's one thing if like when you rush the mound, you hear everyone like, woo, yeah, whoa. Like now, so those that you're gonna hear other people like, yo, chill. He just had a baby. Yo, come on, chill, chill.
You just hear CC in the back like, yeah, get that nigga.
Yeah. And also, if you fight like fighting someone else in front of an empty stadium, it's not the same. You wildin'.
Yeah. You look absolutely nuts if you rush the mound in an empty stadium.
Fighting someone in an empty stadium is no different than fighting someone in a fist fight for a parking space at Trader Joe's. All right, it's not the place. It is not the time. You throwing down your tote bag and you fighting somebody? What's wrong with you? Whatever happened to respectability?
Yo,
the newsboy,
paperman,
the newsman, the paperman, and evening TV.
I was gonna say milkman. I was like, chill.
I think it was milkman.
Like
well, you know what?
Years earlier.
That was back in the day where people put they put as much effort into the theme songs for sitcoms as people put into making sitcoms today. Oof. Now people are just like, fat guy, pretty wife, let's go. Boom, let's go.
Done.
Let's go. 10 seasons CBS.
He does the city job. She's like a executive assistant at some place.
He has an ethnic friend, you know.
Yeah,
they got another friend that talks with an accent. Yeah, boom,
they come over, they have barbecues, they drink beer.
You know what? Let's find a legendary actor who used to be like super popping. They can be like a cameo. You know what? What's Brian McKnight doing? No, David Allen Greer. There you go. Boom. Get him in there.
Right, get in there.
There you go.
She said David Allen Greer. Yo, is Shamar Moore due? Like, is he on that level yet?
He's on a level. I don't know what level, but he's out there. He's out here. Listen, he got that Young and Restless money. Can't knock him.
Oh shit, yeah, that's that. He got that bizag.
They were saying that they just reopened production for daytime TV and they have to close down already because they had outbreaks. But if you think about it, what TV show, like, we're like, yo, it's hard to make a TV show and stuff. Imagine we were doing daytime TV. You gotta make that shit every fucking day, bro. And the people who watch that shit are religious and they're not letting no kind of details slip. Like, everything gotta be on point. Every is that his favorite cup? Is that even a location he goes to?
The handle's facing the wrong way. What's going on? Right?
Is that the kind of woman? Is that the kind of woman he would cheat on his wife with? That's not even the type of woman he cheat on his wife with. So, what we're saying is CBS put us in a daytime TV. Matter of fact, we're making a new daytime TV because, as I said before, black creators. We need to put I was going to make a very problematic statement that, you know what, you cannot say it's about something police do, so we're not going to do that. But we need to get in them doors, and so I am pitching with Mero. We are bringing an urban Latino daytime drama for teens called Platinos, and it takes place in the inner city, and it's about the harsh realities of living in the inner city.
Yeah, that's it.
Yo, son, my Metro card is bent, and then it's like mad dramatic music.
Oh,
like,
yo, let me try to fix it with my fingernail. Chung chung.
Yo, Poppy gave me a bacon and cheese on a hero and not a roll.
What?
Like how my day is bad off of that. What else?
Oh shit, you mad depressed and shit? You walking to school?
Yo, that's wild. I'm late for school because the local pulled into the station and the express closed its doors and pulled off.
Yo.
Wow. Being a teenager in an urban environment is wild hard.
Damn, sick passenger again? Damn.
Oh, wow. Shorty stole my favorite Timberlands and my favorite chopped cheese recipe. And oh, wow, my favorite Yankee fitted.
No.
They gotta have the sad Europe music. And then they have the sad Uptown. It's like, it's Uptown Baby, but it's played by oboes for when shit gets sad. It's like,
Nigga de-stress this smoking a new 400 like
oh.
God damn it.
Damn. Final episode is like, yo, we're going to a beach party on Orchard Beach. It's like, yo. But the whole episode takes place about us like taking the 12 there and shit like that.
Oh,
and
yeah.
The cops come on. They're like, you're supposed to be in school. We got to run through the bushes and shit.
Yeah, you gotta
hide.
You run in the
We gotta go hide.
Start dipping and dodging and shit.
We got to hide on Trump's golf course and shit. And he's actually there and he points us out. We got to beat the shit out of Trump and then go hide at Seafood City. Like, yo.
I'm mad surprised. Like, yo, out of all this, like, because that Trump golf course, that flower, like, arrangement sign thing is just wild accessible. There's no dry moat around the shit. There's no moat around the shit.
Well, they added a building now there that you see when you come off the bridge. Oof. And the weirdest thing is, like, I randomly came across a Twitter account in someone else's comments. I forgot how this even happened. And, I know what it was. Somebody was saying that the city needs to reopen playgrounds because people need to let their kids go to playgrounds, da-da-da. And this guy was like, yeah, and golf courses. And I was like, that's weird. Who the fuck thinks about golf courses in the city like that? I click on this guy's Twitter profile, and it's like, Black Lives Matter, Trans Lives Matter, da-da-da, Trump is the worst person ever, da-da-da. And then, like, the fifth tweet is a picture of him on the Trump golf course in the Bronx. And I'm like, what the? Like, you can't have it both ways, my man. Like, come on. And then, like, half of me is just like, is there no other golf course? And no, there's the Van Cortlandt golf course. But apparently they were saying that the Trump golf course is highly rated.
Man, fuck that shit, bro. Split Rock is right there. It's lit. Like, fuck out of here.
Should we set that? I was going to should we set it on fire? I don't think you could burn a golf course. Oh.
You could.
You know what we should do? Oh, I know what I'll do.
You know what you should do? Just bring mad dogs over there and have them pee all over the green and kill.
Even worse, I'm gonna do the thing that pissed my father off. I remember I did this one summer. I lowered the blade on the lawnmower. Ooh.
Nigga turned the rough into the putting green and shit. Like, fuck the whole shit up.
Had the whole backyard looking like, you get the fake green mat and it's in the front of your house. And like people was like, that's not grass. He was like, what'd you do? He's like, Don. I was like,
You asked for one.
I was like, before you beat me, let's remember why you came here from Jamaica. Come on. Who has freshly sliced bread? Come on, Papa. Come on. Come on. You can't be mad at me. Come on, bro. Bro, I'm gonna have a TV show in the future. Come on, you can't beat me. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. You're gonna beat someone. David Letterman in the future is gonna say you're killing it. Come on, bro. Come on. Put the belt down, bro.
Yeah, please.
Listen, put the belt down. Watch this Met game. I think they're gonna win this year. I've heard some things. Calm down. Calm down. You're making good money. I'm hearing a rumor on the street. You're gonna be able to afford a VCR next year. So things are good for you.
Oh, okay.
Things are good for you. Just stop.
Oh, shit.
I talked to the guy at Crazy Eddie. He got a good deal for you. So you'll be all right.
Crazy Eddie. Yo.
His prices are insane.
I'm like, yo, this is also the name of angel dust. So let's don't confuse me. Am I getting a TV or am I getting high and taking my clothes off and running in the middle of the street?
They're like, you're getting both, bro. You're getting both. You're getting both, 2 at a time.
I don't know. I feel like people should probably chill with going to places and sitting elbow to elbow. I mean, but that's just me like being like, I guess, overly cautious. It's not. I mean, it's not. It's the smart thing to do. Stop.
Yeah,
I said this shit a long time ago. It's like jail, dog. Like it's like going to jail. Like if you get hemmed up and you go in there and you fucking chop a motherfucker. You catch another charge in jail. Now you're in jail longer. Stupid. We were doing great. Just chilling in the house, playing Scrabble, you know, having cabin fever, and now you motherfuckers want to start phases and shit like that.
Listen, that's for them. I'm staying in the house. I'm staying in the house not because of Corona, because I'm upset that my beloved Knicks traded my boy Alonzo Trier.
Yeah, I was tight, bro. My brother texted me that shit. I was like, no, I so.
Damn. Like, why are we still Knicks fans?
I don't know.
Like, honestly, the owner don't like us. The owner don't like the team. The owner will throw us out if we comment about it.
Mildly criticize anything.
Criticize the shit. I'm saying this right now. I don't think I'm ever buying another piece of Knicks gear. Like, I'm done. Oh,
no,
I was cleaning my closet. I have so much Knicks gear. I got a fucking Ron Baker jersey. Why? Because he's one of the greatest white players ever.
That's
Fuck
right.
Larry Bird.
You know what I'm
but also because, like, I like the support. But now it's just like, wow. After the way they botched that statement about the Black Lives Matter shit, it's like, yo, fuck the Knicks. Like, seriously, fuck this organization. Why are we giving them money? Why are we supporting them? Why are we excited that, like, as peasants, James Dolan throws us crumbs and lets us enjoy that and then doesn't give a shit?
That's the shittiest part, though, because it's like, you said it. Like, it's an organization. And because of the face of your organization is such a wild fucking foreskin wrinkle, like, it just trickles down to everybody else on the squad. Like,
and he's not even a top 10 owner, dog. How you in New York? How you got a dope spot on 33rd, my nigga, and you can't get them packs off enough to be a top owner? Fam, you got the Knicks and the Rangers and Radio City
You know
Music Hall. You got the Rockettes, and yo, my God.
And you got Steve Ballmer out here making you look
like,
goofy.
Look, like Steve Ballmer got Omar'd.
Like, yo,
No,
who's
not
this
Omar.
dude?
No, Marlo. He pulled the Marlo on James Dolan. Like, yo. All right? He said, I need my corners. Yo, James Dolan, you look like the Wall Brokey boy, man.
Yo.
Imagine that. Imagine being rich and other rich niggas could cook you because you're not as rich as them.
Because you're not on A level?
Imagine that. Imagine that life. Imagine, like, James Dolan coming home and punching a wall out of frustration.
It's like, I only have $5 billion.
Exactly. Just at dinner, and Bill Gates is like
7.5.
Bill Gates is like, James Dolan's, bro. You know what? I'll cover the tab for him. He probably doesn't have it. And everyone else laughs, and he's just like, fuck.
He's like,
Watch. I got you. I got
One
y'all.
day,
He's like
one
that.
day.
He's like that guy in Belly. He's like, watch. I got y'all.
I got
I got all of y'all.
yeah,
I got all of y'all. Watch. Him come back. He gonna come back with AZ holding the baby in front of the barbershop, bro.
yeah. Does he come
Yeah, I
back
don't
like
want
Camp
that.
on a killer season and blast Shorty in front of the chicken spot? Like, yo,
Listen, had to happen.
you doing a lot.
Sorry to that man. Sorry. It's all that I can say.
Yo, shout out to New York because they are now turning the street into dining areas.
Yeah, they were saying they were doing
like,
that. They're
yo.
closing 20 more. They're
I
closing
just
20 more
seen
streets
pictures
and
of shit. It looks
but-
wild, bro. It looks like when like people are doing construction on a house and they just use like the plywood and like the 2x4s to like build a barrier around shit. Like all the photos
Yeah.
that I've seen, I'm just like, this is wild, bro. Like,
I don't know. People like dying to get outside and get like fucking warm quesadillas and fucking overpoured mimosas. Like you could do that shit in your house. Like do you need to go to a restaurant? Like also rest in peace, my favorite restaurant, Sarah Beth's, no longer with us. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's just the East Side location. I seen it. They gutted it. It's a shame. That was the brunch spot. Always and forever. Also Foley. A lot of places closing down. Blue River Cafe in the Jamaican spot in on like Franklin Avenue. Shit is rough. Shit is bro.
wild out here, B.
Shit is wild. It's a hard time. It's hard to be in the city. Small businesses closing left and right, but you know what? We still here for you.
We still
held it in. Still holding it down.
It's June.
You know what I'm
Happy
saying?
Pride. Haven't mentioned
We out
that.
here.
You know what I'm saying? Happy Pride to y'all, everybody out there, LGBTQIA.
You know the fucking vibes.
You know what I'm saying? I went to a little
We
party
out here.
yesterday and had some Ray and nephew. It was wild. It was like a townhome situation. It was like, you know, two people there, three people there, and like, you know, just celebrating Pride or whatever. And homeboy across the way had a bottle of Ray Nephew because we were on the balcony, social distancing responsibly, and just like talking and shit. And my man came out and he was just like, "Yo, what do y'all drink?" Da 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 da. And I was just like, I'm a rum guy, this, that, da da da. He's like, "Oh, I got some shit for you." And then he came out with the wild bottle of Ray Nephew, and I was just like, "Whoa!" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, "I'm not trying to catch a felony tonight, my guy. So I'm gonna just stick to like, a little beer
That
here
shit
and
burn
there."
your chest?
Yo,
Oh, you didn't drink?
I took one shot just because it was just saying we did the West India eye contact thing where it's just like, don't let me down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, don't let me down in front of all these Yakubians. I was like, I got you, B. I was like,
That shit-
fuck, do that shit back.
God damn. These niggas still setting off the fireworks. Shit.
Yeah, no, this shit was wild. I seen like, and it's good. They're good fireworks, dog. It's wild. Like,
Yeah. These the high level shits. You know what else is high level? This fucking podcast.
That's right.
Episode 208. On you bitches. You know what I'm
That's
saying?
right.
And when I say on you bitches, that's not like misogynistic. I mean,
No,
anyone
no,
can be a
no,
bitch.
no. Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
It's
Also,
gender
when I say bitches, I mean Giuliani. Okay, let's keep that straight. Yo, it's your boy D's Nice, aka Young Chip Holy. It can pocket say fat like Tyrio. It can pocket say fat like here we go. So, but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with the Rondo, 1994, Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC Lukakunga P pulling up for 40 with your shorty. AK, don't talk to me no pool, cause I don't know you. The original one +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Kunui, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, Kalo K, 3-Phone Jones, Jesus Zach Machina, Jake Chuckles, actually 2-Phone Jones, I don't even know that. What's the other phone we had? It was one from
Samsung?
No, was it?
Oh,
Samsung?
the Google, the Pixel?
The Pixel. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow, I lost.
I got that shit with my dad. He's like, "Yo, thank you."
I was like, shit.
I was like, "Yo, delete all my emails."
Yeah, basically. DJ Mocking the Jake Chuckle Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute.
Tree time.
Leonardo DiTrapio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Washed FM. All right.
Yeah.
Today, in honor of Pride, we got a little Tove Lo. Okay. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. She made the bop Habits. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Rock that shit.
You're gone. I gotta stay high all the time to keep you off my mind. That shit was a bop. All right. So
and
shout out to my LGBTQ people.
Yo, and also, Wiz Khalifa pulled that out in the fateful battle of the fuck Wiz Khalifa battle. He pulled that shit out. He had a dub play. He had a dub of that.
Oh yeah,
yeah, the Taylor Gang version. I was like, yo, what? When he dropped that, I was like, God damn! I was like, that came out of left field.
Gotta check that out.
Yeah.
To Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer, Jermaine, Jamal Hashburn. Wow. Jamal Mashburn. I get it. I finally understand my AKA.
There you go. Boom.
There you go. Growth. The Bronx Lean Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno, you can't contend. The Human Memory, Word the Jaw, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Henrik Budcoast, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Werther's Melting in Your Mouth, Mr. Bexal Decative, Ricky T. Squavi, Greg Popovich, Morris Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber, the juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, Dundada Ganoush, the No More Cup of News, the Prince of Pecker, and the Fashion Over Casanova, William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1, small change, give me big money wine. Going after my salute is Dipset. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one. Top left man's is Marved. Trill Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soft Palms, so all I do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sonny G. David Yerman, these expensive, these is red bottoms, these is body shoes, Smoking Noah. And I'm not even in the NBA anymore, or am I? Andrew Cunanan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior, come sit down upon me charger.
Sit upon it, no wireless.
It's not a strong charger, so it's gonna take 5 to 6 hours. You know what I'm saying? Call me Pet Cook, got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip and Sayasha. Shout out to the 11791. AK Grandpa Joe, can we see Charlie? You see me, don't touch that golden ticket. And also, I will lay in a bed for 30 years in the same outfit. Only get out because you gave me some chocolate. Yo, your man Dead IDs is morning, Sheriff. It's very hard to shoplift now that all the product is inside. So I'm gonna go back to a credit card fraud. Mr. Chopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will quick your back like an acclimatic craft medic. Mr. La Marina and Mesh Marina with a cold misdemeanor and a Mr. La Marina Mesmerino with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. Even though a cold misdemeanor and a fresh demeanor sounds like I'm doing better in life, but that's not what I'm doing.
You do good.
The Sheep Mask Killer, Ella, no one will be Ella. The Black Zach Morris, Support Morris, Young KPI, Yes, the personal Jesus, aka your problematic bae, is not a secret family if you have not talking to them in 4 months.
Yeah.
Up next, we got
Yeah, boy. The Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durek, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Guy, a.k.a. Trees Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking dog, keep it moving, ask me if I can fuck. He didn't even have a mask on. He was not respecting other people and elderly dogs. You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, a fucking man. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guest list, dog. This shit ain't even opening until February 23rd, dog. Like, it's boarded up. It's not opening up. Sorry. So I don't need to be on the guest list. Okay? AKA CC Dab Matthew, you know what I'm saying? AKA get into the money. It's your boy Goldman Stacks, you know what I'm saying? AKA I got my kids Corona antibodies for their birthdays because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year, you feel me? AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Dick in your baby Mutombo. You don't come in this pussy no more, this pussy belong to me.
It does.
It does not actually. It belongs to her. I respect her agency. I was just saying that as a statement to, make you feel like, you are part of the patriarchy, which you are trying to take down.
That is true. The growth.
Yeah,
the growth.
I respect your agency, my queen. Please.
No, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Oh, no, don't leave me.
Okay, the Dominican Dundada, you know what I'm saying? Okay, type my card again. There's definitely money on that motherfucker. Don't make me embarrass you. When they come up here and ask for quick selfies and ask me how heavy the kids are. If you like your little Mero's computer job, Mr. MacBook, put the fucking impulse buy in the cart and let me check out, dog, because I'm just buying shit for no reason now because I'm stuck inside, you fucking clown. AKA Top Embrace, you got my balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts, you know what I'm saying? AKA Field to Ass Tyson, I don't want to explore your cosmos, but consensually, of course, you know what I'm saying? Because that's the type of wave we on, you know what I mean? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live, been social distancing before Rona. AKA, Ben Boston, my hands are gifted. I had the audacity to fix my face and say that white supremacy is a myth. A fuego take. Suck my dick. Candy get the strap for the haters. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Rico Sabrosa, A.K.A. Baby Nubo 25. Niggas got garbage down the way. A.K.A. New Brown, shut the car down. A.K.A. live from a fireworks store somewhere in Pennsylvania. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Oh, mate, come on, mate. You know what time it is. It's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me walking down the stream on, trying to scam at every store I come across. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the card says Julia Rubinstein on it, but swipe it anyway. I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? I'm at my friend says I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? If you see me at Target lighting the shit on fire because the fucking police is at it again, or push me like a motherfucker Ursa mammal, I got a Molotov and Mero 4, got a cannon on with that brick. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, whoa, it's Benzo the Clown. Hiring for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's party after it's over, and for my grand finale, I'll hand it over to Mr. Fun Fun while I go take care of some business in the van.
Oh shit, what's going on? Oh shit. You didn't see what was on my phone, right?
Oh fuck. Party's over, tell the rest of the crew. Here's some balloon animals, let's go. Get in the fucking car, let's go.
It was a picture of my mother. What? Why are you?
Ow.
Listen, every week, you put me in a position as if I'm a terrible person. If I am more than Mr. Fun Fun.
I'm sorry.
If you cut me, do I not bleed?
You do. I apologize.
Okay.
You know what?
Am I not a man?
You're right. You know what? I apologize sincerely.
If you bring me into a room full of small adolescent children, do I not get sweaty and like? You know what?
It's true.
I said too much. My sponsor's on the way. Drive!
Cuba, stop him! AKA, I sold fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. His eye of Country Town Lemonade, except I used windshield wiper fluid instead of water. You know what I'm saying? And they're about to drop a wild whack mixtape.
Damn. If you got windshield wiper in your lungs, every time you breathe, it sounds like the box is like.
Yo, oh my God. Yo, papi, si tú tienes SAP, put it on right now. Oye, que lo que guay, llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA más loco de todo el último capítulo. Tú no te pareces a mí, aunque fuera mellizo. No me tires puya, muere un erizo, ma huevo. Shout out a la casa, Showtime. Shout out Cash Shop. Shout out Hasan y Staten que pone la fucking nota. Shout out Desus, buena la nota jamaiquina. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la Lady, 24 quilates. Shout out la nena de bodega, Die, la más dura, la planta, la insuperable. Y Vicky, la más loca, piecito de miel. You know what I'm saying? Shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelta. FTP. ACAB. Me quité ya.
You know what? Episode 208, most electricity podcast in the world. Once again, shout out to Cash App, shout out to Showtime, shout out to let me see. Shout out to Curbed for having us do an article and video many years ago. I saw it the other day and I was oh, we did that. That was fucking cool.
Yeah, it was mad fun.
You know what it is? You know, fucking vibe. The Brandon Story back July 5th, Sunday night. Make sure you there. And also, go Google Wizard of Oz and then click on the red shoes and find out what happens. And you know what? We'll see you next week.
That's right.
We out.
Peace. Download Michael Jackson's Off the Wall.
I wanna rock with you.